Diwali is incomplete without a stack of jalebi, and I am sharing with you today my version of instant jalebi that is prepared using yeast. Now, there are a few key notes you should keep in mind when making jalebi, and I will mention all of those things in this video. We start by activating the yeast with mild warm water, sugar, and active rice yeast. Give a mix and leave it aside for 5 minutes. If the yeast is not activated, just throw that and start over again. For the batter, I use all-purpose flour, which is maida, gram flour, besan, and corn flour, along with salt and ghee. It is very important to incorporate the ghee properly so the texture of the flour comes out crumbly. Then pour the activated yeast and whisk until it looks smooth and flows easily. Add the food color. I prefer using gel and mentioned below the description the brand that I use for my food color. I always prefer to give a last mix with a rubber spatula just to make sure there are no dry flour at the bottom of the mixing bowl, and also to make sure that the color is evenly distributed. Now cover the bowl and leave aside for 1 hour to ferment. Now, while the batter ferments, prepare the sugar syrup. We are not looking for any stream consistency out here. If the sugar syrup is too thin, then the crispy jalebi will turn soggy, and if it is too thick, then the jalebi will not be able to soak the syrup. And once it's done, leave it aside to cool down. I use a piping bag to shape the jalebi, but you can use any plastic bottle and drill a hole on top, or even a Ziploc bag works great. For frying the jalebi, the temperature of the oil is extremely crucial. It should not be too hot, or else you cannot even shape it. It'll just separate out. If it is too cold, then the batter will just settle at the bottom of the pan and flatten out. Now, as you swirl the jalebi, you will notice that it puffs up almost immediately. Fry for about 4 to 5 minutes, maybe more, depending on the size of the jalebi. Now, once it is crispy, you can just feel that it's crispy and cooked through. You just take it off, drain the excess oil, and drop it in the sugar syrup. Coat it around for a few seconds and then take it off to the serving platter. If you leave the jalebi in the sugar syrup for too long, it will turn out soggy and the crispiness will be gone. As you fry the next batch, just make sure that the oil is not too hot, or the spirals won't come out perfect and it will separate out. It will be tasty nonetheless, but the shape may not look as neat as you would want it to be. Once you get the hang of shaping jalebi, you will find the art of making jalebi is not only easy but also quite fun. I hope you find this video useful and the tips will help you to get the perfect crispy texture of jalebis. In the description below, I have given link to my blog post for you to print the recipe along with all the details that I just shared. Happy Diwali guys! I hope you have a fun and fantastic festive season. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, give a like if you enjoy it, leave a comment and do share. Thank you.